This is a 2001 Jaguar XJ8, and today we're doing the timing chain because it's been broken, as you can see. So we're gonna change the timing chain, the tensioners, the gears, and right now, so far, we've removed the radiator and the AC compressor, and we're gonna change the timing chain on the other side as well. So it's gonna be done on both sides while we have all this other stuff here open. And as you can see, the engine was maintained pretty well. There's not much varnish, not much wear or anything. So we plan on keeping it the same way after we fix the chain and move from there. So this is part one, and we'll update you on part two as we go along.